On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Libby Caldwell and I'm here to tell you about watercolor journaling. The next thing you might want to add is a pencil. This is a retractable pencil. And then after that you might want to just add a few colors. Now, for easiness, I teach this class using watercolor pencils, which is the same as this kind of watercolor, which is in a box with a brush and palettes, but it's in pencil form. So you can take your brush, your watercolor brush here, take some color off the end and paint. You don't have to worry about a palette. You can also just sketch with this on the paper and add the water. If you have a bit more space, you might want to start putting a few colors in something like this. And so you can use, these are Faber Castell pencils, and this is a set that I use, and I don't use it in the tin when I'm on the go. I take the pencils out, and what I've done is just cut away a little bit extra of the wood so that I have more of the color exposed. Because when you're using it, you want to be able to rub the end of the brush onto the color, and if there's more color exposed, it's easier. So these I typically put into a pencil case with my little watercolor brush, my pencil, and my black pen. If I need extra water, I just use one of these, put water in it, and it's great because you unscrew it and you've got a little container here that you can pour water into to rinse your brush or add extra water to your painting. So I can put one of those in there as well. And then I can add one of these very fine Micron pens. I use the black one, and it's the 005, and it's waterproof. And I'll add one of those. So that would be the next size kit.